are in receipt of 2 affidavits. I'm sure you're privy to the issues that have been raised there. And one of the issues raised is that you have been charged with the murder of Gumbao Jola during campaigns in 2019 in Malindi. And you had also been charged with the fraudulent misappropriation of about 57 million shillings from NGCDF Malindi. My question is, do you own a gun? And have you ever handled one? That's my first question. The second question, maybe you can appraise us on the status of these cases, and if you are to be found guilty in either of those cases, would you be willing to take responsibility? Thank you.
Minority Leader.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Chair, and welcome, Honorable Isetiyo. Mr. Chair, I know I've